Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Los Abrigados Resort in Sedona, Arizona. This resort is really great space and location for the money. I think you get a lot for your nightly rate, which does fluctuate, but it's a lot less in the summertime. And the resort doesn't have like amazing views because it's down in town, but you can walk to a lot of wonderful shopping and restaurants and art galleries. So the location is amazing. Today we are in a 1-bedroom suite with a kitchenette, and it's designed to accommodate 4 people comfortably. The bed does fold out. I'm not sure if they have elevators. This is an older resort, slightly dated, but very clean and comfortable. So if you have mobility issues, definitely ask for a first floor unit. And you will also have a wonderful little patio. The kitchenette has tableware, flatware, and glassware for 4. The shower and toilet are in a separate room. There's your bedding for the pull-out bed and safe. It also has an iron and an ironing board and pool towels. The resort amenities are really nice. They have a great pool and pickleball, and they've updated their amenities, so check online if you're interested. Los Abrigados in Sedona, Arizona. The service here has been really amazing. We are in the G building, so we are kind of the very back building on the property. It's really nice because it's quiet and away from the parking lots, so you don't look out your window and see a car parked right there. However, that means there's a little bit of a hike, so if you have awkward or heavy luggage, we're the farthest away from the pool, we're the farthest away from the parking, and so it's a little bit of a hike if you're having to carry a lot of stuff. But I think it's a good trade-off. So anyway, there you have it. A 1-bedroom king suite with a kitchenette at Los Abrigados Resort in Sedona, Arizona. Thank you for watching. If you feel like this information helped you at all with your travel plans, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're trying to build our channel and just trying to be helpful. And happy travels. Tip your housekeeping, and please feel free to leave comments or questions. Thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo.